Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in APSEC's online sport program, week number 5, lecture number 3, and the topic is the rise and the fall of Ottoman Empire. Today we will discuss about the Mehmed II's achievement in a view. He built mosques known as Al-Fatah Mosque because he was known as the conqueror or Al-Fatih. He made his court a hub of learning by inviting non-Muslims and Muslim artists, intellectuals and scholars. He gave religious freedom and issued firman to Franciscan monks. He built Topkapi Palace in Istanbul. He centralized bureaucracy and nominated salaries for ulama of madrasas. He was one of the great leaders. The historian of the Kuffar will always say that the most decisive battle in the history was when the Muslim conquered Constantinople, which became the capital of Ummah, and Mehmed II conquered the Constantinople. So he was a great man. Here are his achievements that are written on your book. You can see that I have discussed with you that he centralized bureaucracy and nominated salaries for Ummah. Then other achievement, he absorbed the old Byzantine administration into Ottoman Empire. Okay, he was a man of the greatest, one of the greatest empire of the history. He studied the fiqh of Islam. He spoke 7 languages. He spent his whole life preparing just to conquer Constantinople. And people also loved jihad. They brought Islam to so many other countries. Why Allah blessed them? Because they had amazing intentions that their lives were for the services of Islam. When Mehmed conquered Constantinople, he made it into a symbol of Islam, the symbol of the Ummah. This was the capital of Ummah. The Prophet, peace be upon him, mentioned in a hadith that Istanbul would be the capital of Ummah. So here are the achievements of Mehmed II that is known as Al-Fatih. Then on the last slide, you will see about the Selim I. He was a 9th Sultan. He added the holy sites of Mecca and Medina to the Ottoman Empire in 1517 and became the first caliph of the Ottoman Empire. Before him, the ruler of Ottoman Empire only held the title of Sultan. The Khilafat became the most important religious center for Muslims all over the world. So you can revise the achievements of the Mehmed II on your book. Thank you so much.